Remove the fuel tank cap. Never use any fuel other than water clear and high quality of kerosene. Never use gasoline. Fill the fuel up to the ELF marking. Do not exceed filling over this level. After filling the tank, replace the fuel tank cap on the tank inlet and make sure that it is firmly placed. Turn the wick adjuster knob clockwise as far as possible to raise the wick. When you use the cooking stove for the first time, first put the fuel tank into place and then wait approximately 15 minutes before you ignite the cooking stove. Raising the chimney prong on the lower part of the heat chamber, put the match light to the wick. Check to ensure that the heat chamber is properly placed on the wick adjuster, and that the wick is not jammed in the heat chamber by moving the heat chamber prong lightly to the left. If the wick is clamped in the heat chamber, the stove may smoke. Turn the wick adjuster knob counterclockwise until it stops. If it is difficult to turn the wick adjuster knob counterclockwise, burn out until no fuel remains or extinguish the flame by putting water on the heat chamber.